Hello friends, and welcome back to the Vegan Lifestyle blog. We're so glad you're joining us again as we continue our journey through the NEWSTART series, an exploration of practical and life-changing principles for holistic health and wellness. So far we've dived into nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, and pure air. If you missed any of those episodes, be sure to check them out. They're packed with valuable insights and tips. Today, we're picking up with the R in NEWSTART, rest. Rest is one of the most underestimated yet vital pillars of a healthy, fulfilling life. So, let's break it down, because rest is not just about catching some Z's. It affects us physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Let's dig in. First, let's talk about the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of rest. Good sleep boosts our immune system, helps our bodies recover and repair, and promotes optimal brain function. It enhances memory, creativity, and concentration. And let's not forget, rest reduces stress levels and helps regulate emotions, making us better equipped to handle the challenges of daily life. Yet rest goes beyond sleep. Taking intentional breaks throughout your day, whether it's stepping outside for a moment of quiet or practicing mindfulness, can drastically improve your mental clarity and emotional resilience. Rest teaches us to listen to our bodies and nurture ourselves holistically. Now let's take a moment to reflect on rest spiritually. In a world that celebrates non-stop hustle, we often forget that rest is a divine principle, a gift. Jesus beautifully reminds us of this in Matthew 11:28-30, where he says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light." These words are an invitation to find true rest, not just for our bodies, but for our souls. Resting spiritually means trusting in God's provision, letting go of our worries, and allowing Him to renew our strength. It's a reminder that we don't have to carry the weight of the world on our shoulders. So, as you plan your week, I encourage you to think about how you can prioritize rest in all its forms. Set aside time to rest your body, nurture your mind and emotions, and connect with God for soul-deep rejuvenation. Remember, rest isn't just a luxury, it's essential to thriving. And with that, we'll wrap up today's episode. If you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a reminder to rest. Don't forget to subscribe to the Vegan Lifestyle blog and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this journey with you. Please join us next time for the series finale of The Doctors Are In. Take care, stay inspired, and live well.